Today we will discuss about the dot data type. For this purpose we will create a new class dot and data type dot is a extension of dot which recognize this is a dot class. For this purpose we will create a main function void main is a main function of the dot, like as other programming language each have the main function like that. We in this as in the previous video we will discuss about the comment, single line comment, multi-line comment. We will create a multi-line comment integer. In this comment we will paste the data type. Integer is a data type in which we will store the integer type of values like 1 2 3. Double is another data type. We will store the double type yani fractional type value like 3.1 2.2 etc. String is a data type which will store name, address etc. Boolean is a data type in which we will store true or false, like he is a man or he is a not man. This is object, it is a not object. List is another type of the data type which we will store a list type of the data in the file. Map store two type, one is key and other is a data type. We will explain individually. Like integer we create a variable a and assign a value 10. Now we want to print the integer value. The value of the integer is a. We will concatenate the value a with a dollar sign, print the value is equal to 10. Now I create the double data type. Double d is equal to 11.11. At the end we make sure we put the semicolon, print the double value with the concatenation dollar sign and d. At the end put the semicolon and run it. Let's see, the double data type is equal to 11.11 is print. Now we will also print the double data type without the concatenation like that. This is not print due to dollar sign. I remove the dollar sign and check, the error will gone. Let's see, error will gone and value will be printed. Now I will discuss about the next data type. Next data type is string. String in this value we will store all kind of this string like name, address and multi type of this string. Like my name is Azam Khan, I print this string in the print form. I copy that print and paste the name of the developer with a concatenation of dollar sign. I concatenate with the dollar sign and print s and run this program Let's see. Name of the developer is Azam Khan. The next data type is Boolean. The Boolean data type, in this value I already explained you. Boolean data type is a true false data type. True let is a marriage is equal to true tr semicolon, and I copy that print and paste here. Let's see. Developer is married or not. Is married. It is true or false. Let is married. Copy the that variable and paste here and run that. Developer is married is true because I put is married is equal to true. When I put the false variable and check, this is not run because it show error. I explain you what is the error. Error is I put the false, f is a capital, it show it error. When I replace with a small f, it error will be gone. Run again, error will be gone, and developer is not married. Successfully it run. The remaining two data type, list and map, I will explain you in the next video. Please take care.